Buying a house or selling your house is one of the biggest financial decisions that you're going to make. And so it's important to have a real estate agent who really is more of an advisor, which is what I consider myself. Somebody who's going to make sure you have all the information you need to make the best decision. I'm Kelly Smith with the Joseph Sullivan Real Estate, and I am a real estate advisor, really more than a real estate agent. I'm also a mom of three almost grown children. And a wife. I have a dog that is my little toddler with fur, and I'm also an active member of the community. I love working with first-time buyers. I love helping people learn about the process, about understanding how being a homeowner is going to really set them up for their financial success in life. So I focus primarily on Pasco County, Dade City, Zephyr Hills, Newport Richey, Holiday, really the entire county. My clients really have two very distinct problems. One is they need to find a house, and the other is they need to sell a house. For my clients who need to buy a house, it really is about helping them understand all the parts of the decision that go into buying a house. It's not just about, does it look good? Does the layout work? It's also about what condition is the roof in? What condition is the air conditioning in? What is the equity that you might be coming into this house with? For my clients who are selling, there are lots of ways to sell your house, not just having an agent listed on the MLS for you. So I can help my sellers with standard traditional listing and selling, as well as selling off market and even selling as owner financing. I work really hard to educate my clients. I provide a lot of communication throughout the process, really make sure that they understand the decisions that they're making. And my negotiation skills are pretty spot on. I've been able to get the best for my buyers and get them into some seller concessions in a time when that didn't exist, but I've also been able to get my sellers the highest price for their house in a quick time period. So I really want my clients to make their home buying or selling process and decisions ones that help their financial future. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house, I would love to talk to you. Whether you're ready today or not for a few months, now is a great time to start the conversation. So pick up the phone and give me a call, send me a text, or follow me on social media.